Hi, today we will talk about currencies in Tally.erp9. Due to globalization of business, many organizations have found the necessity to work with more than one currency. Transactions are often made in currencies other than the home currency. Tally.erp9's multi-currency feature is very powerful and allows you to record transactions with different currencies by allowing you to specify and change the currency rate of exchange, maintain the balance of the specified account in a foreign currency. Tally.erp9 uses the term base currency for the currency in which your account books are maintained, typically in the home currency. Foreign exchange is used interchangeably with foreign currency. Creating foreign currencies. All amounts in your books are maintained in the base currency, which is specified during company creation to facilitate easy analysis of data. Hence, whenever you record a transaction in a currency other than the base currency, Tally.erp9 prompts for an exchange rate and then displays the information in the base currency. Setup. Ensure that you are at the gateway of Tally. Activate the feature Allow Multi-Currency in Accounting Features option. Now let us create a foreign currency. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounts Info, select Currencies, select Create. Here, under symbol, set $sign. Set formal name as US dollars. Set number of decimal places as 2. Set show amounts in millions as no. Set is symbol suffixed to amounts as no. Set put a space between amount and symbol as yes. Set symbol for decimal portion of amount as cents. Press Y or enter to accept the screen. Similarly, you can create other currencies also. Altering currencies. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounts Info, select Currencies, select Alter. Select dollar. You find a different screen with many fields. You can alter input dates and the relevant exchange rate of currency. Enter the following exchange rates and accept the screen. Standard rate is the current rate of exchange. Selling rate is the rate at which your bank will buy dollars from you. It is used when invoicing or receiving money. Buying rate is the rate at which you will buy dollars from the bank. It is used when purchasing or paying money in foreign currency. During voucher entry, the rates predefined in the currency masters are pre-filled automatically. Deleting currencies. Use the key combination Alt plus D in the alteration screen to delete. However, you will not able to delete a currency that has been used in any transaction. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.